Hello, it's Miss Christ. Today I'm going to talk to you about an assignment that my B Day students will be doing in person and my A Day students will be doing remotely on Thursday, the 10th of September. If you are viewing this remotely, you are not going to worry about the check-in, but we will do check-ins each time we are together. However, you are going to be creating this slide. All I am looking for is one slide from each of you in this class. Because you guys are not together very often, only virtually on Fridays, I want to kind of create a place where we can reference it to know a little bit about one another and get to know each other's names. Hopefully, we'll find ourselves all together in class sometime this semester. What I am going to ask that you do is create a slide. Now you could make it an infographic and put it into a slide. You can draw it and put it into a slide. I'm not really concerned with how you do this. I just need the actual assignment you turn in to be a slide. It'll just make it easier for me to compile them all into one presentation. What you are going to do is create an About Me slide. What I would like is your name and your preferred name if it's different from the legal name that I have on my roster. An appropriate picture of you, a symbol that represents you, your favorite musician or song, and a fun fact about you. So I'm going to show you the next slide, which is my example. This is me, my name that would be on the roster, and my preferred name, Miss Christ. This is my symbol. As you will soon find out, I am all about the peace and love in my classroom and in my life, so that is a symbol that is important to me. This is a picture of me and my two amazing kids that you will hear me talk about way too often. This is Stephen and Nellie. A fun fact about me is not really fun, but I love live music and I miss it tremendously. Not being able to see any shows this summer was really disappointing, and it was difficult for me at times because live music, I think, is essential to our well-being. And I have a lot of music I like. I like a diverse group of music, but I was introduced to Need to Breathe this summer, and I've really enjoyed their songs. They may not be my favorite band, but I felt like it was a band that you all might know about, and you could tell me a little bit more about them because I'm just kind of starting to listen to them. I did a little background, and if you present my slide, it should play some music for you. You don't have to do that. I was just trying to use a trick that I saw on TikTok actually and see if it worked, and it did, so I'm very happy about that. So it's a pretty easy assignment, but I would like it to be a bit reflective. I'm really looking forward to getting to know all of you, and I think this will give me an opportunity to kind of put a face to a name since we're not going to be seeing each other on a regular basis. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to me at any time. You have my Google Classroom information, you have my email, you should have joined our Remind, and I am able to get all of those messages from you at any time. I'm always here to support you, and I hope to see you soon.